Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Slight chance of rain showers in the evening, then rain showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms overnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday, cooler. Rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then rain showers and chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of precipitation 90%. Sunday night, rain showers likely and chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms overnight. Lows in the mid-40s. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.